Today we're checking out the RedRock door-mounted storage compartment and pocket kit for the 2021 and newer Broncos. If you're looking for better organization and added convenience in your Bronco, then this kit is a quick way to add handy storage right where you reach for it, so it's definitely worth checking out. The key features here start with a custom fit design that follows the Bronco's door shape, so the pockets sit tight and look like everything belongs like factory. You're gonna get a little extra room for everyday items that you like to grab for frequently, which helps keep the console and the floor clear and is gonna cut down on rattling. There's a nice interior lip that's gonna help things from bouncing out on those rough roads, and the open top shape makes it easy to toss gear in and grab it out when you need it fast. Folks usually tend to add something like this when they're tired of stuff rolling around the car. Maybe you're doing some more off-roading and you need more trail gear easily accessible, or you just want a clean, factory-style spot for bottles and small tools right next to you while you drive. The kit comes matched for both doors, so the look is even on each side. And it's made to mount with simple hardware, so it stays put for the long run. When it comes to the construction on this, these pockets are molded from tough ABS plastic with a very light texture that hides scuffs and wipes clean. The edges are smooth so they don't snag any clothes or pants while you're getting in and out of the car, and the mounting points line up the way they should for a snug and rattle-free fit. The material handles hot summers and cold winters and daily driving door slams without cracking or warping over time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $80 price range. For a matched set that adds real storage and looks factory once it's installed, it's a very solid value in my opinion. When it comes to installing these, it's getting rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 30 minutes or less of your time. You're just gonna wanna clean it up really well before you mount it to make sure you get the best adhesion. Now, let's head on out to the shop and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need an impact or a ratchet and a T30 Torx bit. Today we're gonna be installing some storage compartments on our Broncos, so let's get started. So we're gonna start with our front door compartment. Now that's gonna mount where your factory netting compartment area is. This is gonna give you a little more solid and extended area to work with. We're going to remove the lower 4 T30 Torx screws, and then we're going to mount our compartment right where that is and reuse those factory screws to put that on. So we'll grab our T30 Torx bit and get those out. So we'll grab our storage compartment, get those screws right back in. Get our first 2 loosely in place. Then we'll grab our lower 2 and reinstall those. Now for our rear door, it's just an insert onto our inner door handle, which is nice. You can stack things there like a phone or something. So what we're gonna do, just slide this right on in, push it down flush. Now once you got this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. That about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock door-mounted storage compartment and pocket kit for your 21 to current Bronco. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.